What's up? I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass. You found Footings to Finished. It's season 3. This one's called the Lincoln. Here's a Lincoln going up right here, and we're also going to be building one from the ground up right here on lot 2 this season on Footings to Finish. Here we have our second to last lot available. This is lot 2. It is under agreement, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about permits. On this episode, we're going to talk about permits. So what happens after you've chosen your lot and you've gone under agreement with your purchase and sale? We're then going to finalize your home designs, what you want the home to look like, where you want it to sit on the lot. And then we send all of those designs to the town. In this case, it's the town of Pelham. And while we can sort of prep the lot and do the digging, we have to wait for the permits to get back from the town before we can start to pour your foundation. The Lincoln model that we're going to feature this season is a beautiful 4-bedroom home, 2.5 baths, 3-car garage, right around 3,000 square feet. And the most beautiful part of it is this huge 2-story open concept family room that flows into the kitchen. I can't wait to show you through the process from footings to finished. Today they are working on the roof. It's very noisy here, but hey, it's got to get done. And we also have 2 more under construction across the street. These are both Riley's, and they will eventually look like this. Hey, if you're liking this new construction content, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, subscribe, share with a friend, and tune in every Wednesday, new time, 7 p.m. as we build this beautiful Lincoln home, one of our last homes here at Oakland Ridge Estates. I'm Steph Saunders with Key Team at Compass, and I'll see you next week for another episode of Footings to Finished.